As you've seen, your Apple iPhone 17 Pro has multiple speaker openings, but not every grill is an actual speaker. Top earpiece speaker. Located in the thin slit at the very top edge above the display. Used for phone calls and stereo audio playback. Bottom main speaker. Located on the bottom edge near the USB-C port. On newer iPhone 17 Pro models, Apple reportedly moved the main speaker to the left side of the USB-C port, while the right side acts mainly as a microphone. Bottom microphone holes. Some grill holes are microphones only, not speakers. That's why sound may come from only one side during music playback from the bottom speaker. To adjust the volume level between the top and bottom, adjust from the Settings app. Launch the Settings app. Scroll to Accessibility. Again, scroll to Audio and Visual Settings. On the screen, scroll to the Balance section and adjust between the left and right speakers. Left means only the bottom speaker works, and right means only the top speaker works. Keep it in the center position to get 3D surrounding sound from your iPhone. For microphone location, refer to my separate tutorial in the video description and first comment. If you have any question, then comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.